Kuma ndohio na gikeno mathukuru-ini matiganite ma secondary county-ini itiganite guku bururi-ini thutha wa Arutwo kwamukira maumirira mega ma kigeranio gia KCSE kia mwaka wa 2024. Thukuru-ini wa secondary wa Arutwo wa Kenya High uri urari na Arutwo 382 aria mekire kigeranio giki mwaka muhituku. Aciari, arutani hamwe na Arutwo matinahitha gikeno kiao thutha wa namba nene ya Arutwo makiamukira maumirira ma grade ya A. Umwe wa Arutwo aya ari Elaine Buyeke.
Honestly, really shocked on my results because I wasn't expecting to pass this much.
And we are happy because now we can celebrate with her. She's with her dad and her mom.
We were not expecting an A plane from her because from a recent performance, we didn't know that she'll pull that to bring an A plane.
To thank the Kenya High fraternity. This is a wonderful place. I wish to thank everyone here for the support that we've seen in the years that our daughter was here.
Na kuo thukuru-ini wa anake wa Light Academy uri urari na Arutwo 138 aria mekire kigeranio gia KCSE. Ukunguiri wa Arutwo aria mekite wega ni unyitithirio thinga. Murutani munene wa thukuru uyu ni Hat Arslan akiuga gukinyaniria mathaa-ini ma thaa 8 ni mekwamukirite gicunji kia 40% kia maumirira ma Arutwo 15 aria megwateire grade ya A. Guku murutwo uria wamukirite grade ya thi muno thukuru-ini uyu akigwatira grade ya B-.
This is the fruit of actually cooperation, collaboration and hard work.
I feel more than elated. This is such a surreal experience for me. I didn't quite expect this, but God did.
Really happy. In fact, honestly, at this moment, I'm asking myself if this is real. Yes.
So grateful. We are so proud of this school. I still have another son here in Form 3, Calvin Hope Ouma, and I'm sure he's gonna follow the footsteps of his brother.
Naguo thukuru-ini wa secondary wa anake wa Sunshine guku Nairobi, Arutwo matinahitha gikeno kiao thutha wa Arutwo 11 makigwatira grade ya A, Arutwo 31 makigwatira grade ya A-. Guku murutwo uria wamukirite grade ya the few akiamukira grade ya C-.
It was definitely not easy. There were sleepless nights. There were very many challenges.
It's a matter of self-drive. It comes from within. However, external factors can also push you to work harder.
I think this is so far one of our best means in the last 6 or 7 years, with an average mean grade of 9.25. We had 11 A planes, among them one student with 96 out of 84 points.
Ukunguiri uyu ni wikirirwo wuira thukuru-ini wa anake wa Kabianga uri uri kaunti-ini ya Kericho. Murutani munene wa thukuru uyu akiuga Arutwo 21 nio megwateire grade ya A.
Mwanafunzi aliyepata A mwenye alama 84 kwa jina Collins ni kijana ambaye alikuwa mkakamavu akifanya kazi zake ipasavyo. Tunatarajia kupata matokeo mengine punde tu takapofanikiwa. Mtandao unatusumbua kiasi. Na Arutwo a airetu a thukuru wa secondary wa Mary Hill uri uri kaunti-ini ya Kiambu ni maumururukire barabara-ini gukunguira Arutwo 80 aria megwateire grade ya A na wangi 181 aria megwateire grade ya A-. Maundu mauma o tao thukuru-ini wa anake wa St. Joseph kaunti-ini ya Trans Nzoia hamwe na thukuru wa secondary wa Barisho uri uri kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga.
Twina provisional results cia 2024 candidates. Last year twari na plain A's 25 and so far twina A30.
Kuhana uguo mihang'o ya kwamukira maumirira maya kuhitukira mutambo-ini wa kanjo ya igeranioni ni ugumirwo ni thina wa kimitambo kuria ukuoyaga ihinda iraya mundu angikamukira maumirira ma igeranio ici. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.